Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue key battery. First, identify your specific key fob type, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's also helpful to work in a well-lit area on a soft surface to prevent scratches or lost parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and slide it to release the emergency key blade. Pull this blade out completely. Next, look for a small slot near where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's locked. Before you go, check the description below for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Lastly, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working perfectly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.